Alright, today's topic, budget sportsmobiling. Shout out to Cool Change. You gave me the idea for this video. This is my 99 Ford Econoline, lifted. It's a wannabe Sportsmobile. It's not a mall crawler. Took it off-roading this past weekend and got some lovely trail damage pinstriping on it, but that's what this van is for. Blue collar guy. When I'm off, when I take vacation, I have a good time, and my idea of fun is camping. So this van is not a $100,000 build, not a $50,000 build, not even a $20,000 build. When I'm all done with this van, it's gonna total to about $15,000. I have $12,000 into it right now. The last thing I need to do is get bigger tires for it. These are stock 245 tires. Re-gear it to match the big tires, and a rear locking diff. It's running an open diff right now. A rear locking diff will give me more off-road capability. People like me who drive lifted two-wheel drive Econolines probably got inspired by Sportsmobile vans with 4x4 conversions. I'll show you a couple for sale right now. This one's $75,000. It's a 99 like mine. Looks like the same color too, same grille. 78,000 miles on it. It is a diesel, the 7.3, the one everyone wants. Let's take a look at it. There you go, it's the extended body, custom back window, so probably started off as a cargo van. There you go, same dash as mine. He's got the gauges, that's cool. But here's the important one, the interior. So nice cabinets. Sportsmobile makes a high quality product. So the seat, I like that. So I kind of took the idea of that, and Chinooks. The way I placed my seat is same idea as the Sportsmobile, so really high quality four-wheel drive on this one. So I'll show you guys what the budget Sportsmobile interior looks like. This is a Mainstays sofa bed from Walmart, less than $200. It's in sofa mode right now. Also folds into a bed. I have it long ways instead of widthwise. I got a table, factory bench seat, microwave under it. I have a fridge, still dusty from my camping trip. Space cooler, running water, no water tanks in this van. This is a, portable water system. So the interior has everything I need. TV, my video games are in there. Solar. There's the surge protector, underbed storage. Really simple. Here's the driver's area. I have this cup holder food tray. I have my big table in the back, but I could also eat in the front. It swivels for the passenger or driver. I have a newer style center console from the newer Econolines. I like it a lot because there's no moving parts, so nothing to rattle around, and lots of big storage pockets. Small one right here, big storage right here, and storage in the middle. I have my power inverter right here, extra power inverter, cup holders. I got this in 2020 before the thing happened, so I got a great deal on it. I wanted three things: V10, extended, and barn doors. I got 2 out of 3. V10, extended, but the sliding door. But the V10 was required. I really wanted the V10. I also wanted one with low 100,000 miles. When I bought this in 2020, it had 104,000 miles. I'm up to 130 now. I got it for $6,800. It's in really good shape. I just have these covers on it because I just want to keep the seats nice, no tears, no cracks on the dash. I also didn't want any cracks on the dash. So like I said, I'm up to about $12,000 altogether with the purchase of the van. Once this van is complete, like I said, rear locker, bigger tires, and re-gear, once those are all in, this project will be a total of about $15,000. Here's another Sportsmobile for sale, $105,000. Take a quick look at it. Has a pop-up roof. I think the other one did too. I think all Sportsmobiles have the pop-up roof. Has all the accessories for off-roading. Here's the thing with Sportsmobiles, they're really nice vehicles. This one has the V10, like my exact same V10 that my van has. Here's the thing, it's high quality. Sportsmobile has a great product, great aftermarket company, but this has the same V10 as my van. For $105,000, in my opinion, Sportsmobile should at least supercharge the V10 or put all the mods on it, long tube headers, all the good stuff, because $105,000, it needs to make 500 horsepower at least. 100 grand, yeah, you should at least have 500 horsepower. $16,000 for a Sportsmobile 4x4, that's just the decal. Continuing on the topic of budget sportsmobiling, I saw this one for sale, $16,000, but when I read the ad, it's just a decal. It's a two-wheel drive like mine, lifted on an action van suspension. When I see lifted vans out in the wild, it's always an action van. But this one has 68,000 miles on it. He wants $16,000 for it. But that's what I mean by budget sportsmobiling. People who build a van like this, they want a Sportsmobile van but can't afford, like me. So that's why we just make our vans look like a Sportsmobile van. So that's like the new hobby here. It's a new term for what we're doing, making our vans look like sportsmobiling. We're budget sportsmobiling, so there you go. Putting my microwave to good use before I head into work. Big power inverter, separate battery just for the microwave. I have another battery for random accessories behind the driver's seat. Leftover Jack in the Box tacos. Put this in for a couple minutes. So, are you a budget sportsmobiler? Are you thinking about becoming a budget sportsmobiler? It's a lot of fun. And like I said, this is not some $50,000 to $150,000 mall crawler. I really enjoy taking this out. I work hard, and at the end of the month, I like to take vacation, take my van out. And once this thing has a rear locker, bigger tires, take this off-roading more. And then you guys are gonna see the off-roading videos. So if you're new to this channel, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. This channel is not sponsored. I never solicit any donations. Your support is all I need, and I'll do the rest. And you guys could virtually join me on these van adventures, and maybe someday join me on one of my van meets. I'll leave some extra videos right here for you guys to check out if you're new. Van meet stuff and van build stuff. Be safe out there, everyone.